The first ever green station in the Middle East is now officially open. According to ENOC officials, this environment-friendly facility raises the bar for oil companies in the country and the region. This is the latest addition to their existing chain of 170 stations.
This particular gas station has actually over 30 different programs that are aimed purely at protecting the environment and to maintain the sustainability of the environment and community.
The station aims to lessen its consumers' environmental impact. Green services and features that respond to every customer's need are widely available, from solar-powered poles to a waterless car wash system, color-coded waste bins, and earth-friendly retail establishments.
The average person normally smells the fuel in the gas station, but in this particular gas station actually don't smell any of the fuels because we capture them, compress them, send them back. This happens during decanting. It happens at the time when we are fueling the cars.
Environment solutions experts also highlighted the economic and health benefits of going green. They say with zero carbon emission, their service team and the public are protected from harmful fumes that can lead to diseases.
It has immediate effects sometimes. Actually, it can have a headache immediately as soon as you smell it. The health matter, it's very critical because the evaporation of petrol, it creates diseases like cancer, brain damage, heart problems. It reduces the age of the person who works in a station. We had made all the tests, our team and ENOC team, and it was proven that it's zero emissions. We have a very good potential, especially in the Middle East. We are now installing in Kuwait, Qatar, Syria, Jordan, Saudi. We are starting with these countries, and hopefully we are expanding to make it more green.
The eco-friendly station is a model company officials hope to see become a norm in the future. It encourages and promotes a green lifestyle among residents through its products and services by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Khadija Sali, 7 National News.